Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Forza Horizon 6 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the menu narration option within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Forza Horizon 6 game on your device, and you may immediately start playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to enable or disable the menu narration, then you can simply pause your game by pressing the start button, and then from the pause menu, go into settings. Within the settings page, you will need to go into accessibility, and inside the accessibility section, you can find screen reader at the bottom. This may be turned on, and you will be allowed to choose from the various different voices installed within your operating system. In order to turn this off, you can simply choose the screen reader option and then set it to off. After doing so, press the start button to save your changes, and now you can go back and continue to play your game with your screen narration turned off. If you wish to enable it again in the future, follow the same steps. Press the start button to pause, go into settings, and then from the accessibility section, you can once again enable your screen reader. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off screen reader or screen narration on the Forza Horizon 6 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.